Here I am going to explain arithmetic operations in Go language. Here I declare two variables. First one num1 int equal 8. Second one var num2 int equal 9. Then I'm going to print. Here I am going to print fmt dot print with format d answer. Here I declare variable answer as num1 plus num2. Then I save this and run. Here I am going to run the application. Go run arithmetic.go. Then answer is 70. In Go there are few operators. Those are using frequently. That is plus, minus, divide, multiplication, brackets, and also present sign for getting reminder. Okay, those are plus, minus, multiplication, division, brackets, and also present sign for getting reminder. That means if I num1 percentage mark num2 and I save, then I run the application, that is 8. Because here this is after 8 divided by 9, what is the remainder? If 8 divided by 9, what is the remainder? It will come as answer. Here I can add as 18 divided by 9. Then what is the remainder? We will see. That is 0. If we add 19 divided by 9, then what is the remainder? 1. Just like that. Here, this is int, this is int, this answer is int. Then this will 5. If I add as this float 32, then there is error. Because this is float, this is int. Then type of the variable is different. Then we can't do this operation. For that, we have to convert this into float. For that, we can do float 32 open bracket add inside num2. Then I can save. Here they said this percentage operator is not defined in float operation because this is always come as integer value. Then this is also int. Here we can write as this num1 this operation. We can get example from this multiplication operation. Num1 multiply float 32 num2. Then here this is G. Here this is 171. The answer will come. Here instead of float, then there is error. That is invalid operation. Mismatch types float 32 and int. That is the error. Invalid operation. Mismatch type float 32 and int. That means those two variable types should be same to do the operation. Okay. If it should be int, then that is t, then this will 5. What is happening if we divide this 90 divided by 9? Then it will come as 2. If we want the floating points, we should float 32, float 32. Here that is G, then I save and run. That is 2.111 something with floating points. I think then there is something. This Golang follow B E D M A S. In the operation of arithmetic, Golang follow BEDMAS. B means bracket, E means exponent, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. That means if I do like this, okay, then if I do like this, then BEDMAS, according to the BEDMAS, it will follow division first, then after that addition 4. BEDMAS rule is that is the rule for when go does the arithmetic operation. I think you will understand about those things. Please subscribe my channel. In future, this kind of videos will come for Go.